become future stars. Chapter 7. Internet World. The Internet is a group of computers connected with each other all over the world. It is a global system made of many small networks joined together using wires and wireless connections. People using the Internet can share different types of information and talk to each other from anywhere in the world. The simple words, the Internet is called a network of networks. These networks are connected using satellites, telephone lines, and fiber optic cables. InfoSoul. Digital technology helps us learn many things. The Internet gives us facts and useful information for learning, working and growing. Advantages of Internet. The Internet has become an important part of our life. It is hard to imagine a day without it. Here are some uses of the Internet. You can search for anything on the Internet. It helps you upload, download and share data. The Internet also gives us a good source of entertainment. With the Internet, you can connect with people all over the world. It helps people do business and reach customers easily. Online banking is now possible because of the Internet. Carrying only one small device with an Internet connection means having a world of information in your hand. The Internet lets you to sit in one place and explore the world. The Internet is probably one of the most important inventions. Uses of Internet. The Internet has many uses and it has touched the lives of almost everyone. Following are some main uses of the Internet. Read them carefully. Email is the most common use of the Internet. It helps us send and receive messages easily. Web portals and websites are the best way to spread awareness and information. The e-banking service through the Internet helps to bring the bank at your fingertip. Internet is like an ocean of knowledge. You can find anything you are looking for. The Internet is the best tutor and a medium for spreading education. It is a boon for the students to learn their studies through an interesting audiovisual medium. From food to shopping, from banks to hospitals, everything is available online. The Internet has become affordable and easy to use, even at villages. It helps people in their work. Things required for Internet connection. To connect to the Internet, you need the following 4 things. 1. A computer or a laptop. 2. A modem and telephone line or a data cable or Wi-Fi connection. 3. An Internet browser and software to connect to the Internet. 4. An Internet connection from an Internet service provider, ISP. InfoSoul. The type of Internet service you choose will largely depend on which Internet service provider, ISP, serves your area, along with the types of service they offer. Terminology of Internet. Website. A website is a collection of related web pages that are linked together. For example, yahoo.com. Every website on the Internet has a unique address. This address of a website or web page is called the Uniform Resource Locator, URL. Home page. The home page is the first page of a website. It gives basic information and links to the other page of the website. www. World Wide Web, WWW, is the largest information system on the Internet. It has millions of websites that show information in the form of text, animations, pictures, and videos. Web browser. A web browser is a software we use to open and view websites. For example, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, and Mozilla Firefox. Search engine. A search engine is a software program that helps us find information on the Internet using words or phrases. For example, search engines return results quickly even though there are millions of websites. They do this by always scanning the internet and saving details of every page they find. This helps them show the right results when we search for something. Opening the web browser. A web browser helps you go anywhere on the internet. You can see text, images and videos from anywhere in the world. Let's open the web browser. 1. Click on the Start button. 2. Click on All apps. 3. Scroll down and find the web browser, like Google Chrome. Click on its icon. The Google Chrome browser will appear on the screen. Searching for a website through a web browser. There are many different search engines you can use, but some of the most popular ones are Google, Yahoo, and Bing. To perform a search, you need to go to a search engine using your web browser. Let's search for a website with the help of the web browser. 1. Type one or more words that you want to search for. These are also known as search terms. 2. Press enter on your keyboard. In this example, we'll search for storybooks. 3. You will see a list of websites that match your search words. These are commonly known as search results. 4. If you see a site that looks interesting, you can click on it to open it. If the site doesn't have what you need, you can simply return to the results page to look for more options. Reboot. You can search for anything on the internet. Online shopping has made our lives easier. Email is the most common use of the internet, which helps in communicating across the world. There are many different search engines you can use, but some of the most popular include Google, Yahoo, and Bing. Words Roster. Search engine, a tool that helps us find information on the internet. Communication, sharing or exchanging information. Boon, a thing that is helpful or beneficial. Navigate, the act of opening and moving through computer menu. Like, share, and subscribe.